Is the Guelph real estate market still outperforming nearby cities? Or are we finally seeing prices cool down? In this June 2025 update, we are breaking down what's happening in condos, townhouses, semis, and detached homes, and how Guelph compares to cities like Kitchener and Waterloo. Plus, I have got sections just for buyers, investors, and sellers, so no matter who you are, this will help. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Shrikant Verma, your local Guelph realtor. I break down the real estate market every single month to help you make smart decisions, whether you are buying, selling, or investing. And hey, if you are watching these videos but haven't subscribed yet, please take a second and click that button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps this channel grow and reach more Guelph families like yours. Guelph's average condo price in June came in at $601,000, still relatively strong. Over in Kitchener, the average condo was around $432,000, down about 6.7% year over year. What does this mean? Guelph condos are holding steady. Inventory is tight, but demand is stable. If you are a first-time buyer, this could be the window you have been waiting for. Less competition, more negotiating power. Guelph townhouses are averaging around 600,000, slightly lower than Waterloo region's average of 634,000. We are seeing more listings stay active a little longer. That's create more room for buyer negotiation. Townhomes continue to attract growing families and downsizers, especially those who want less maintenance than a detached home. Semi-detached homes in Guelph averaged $752,000 in June, and that's significantly higher than Waterloo's $652,000 in average. Demand in Guelph is still strong, especially in well-established areas. Semis offer a sweet spot, more space than a condo, but less upkeeping than a detached one. If you are selling a semi, you are in great position right now. Guelph's detached home market saw an average price of $924,000. And what's interesting is that 18% of those sold above asking. Compare that to Waterloo region, where detached homes averaged $909,000, which is a slight dip of 1.9% month over month. The key difference? Guelph buyers are still paying top dollar for well-staged, well-priced homes. Buyers, here is how you can win right now. Detached homes are offering a bit more negotiation wiggle room. Condos and townhouses still have competitive pricing. Use current market softness to negotiate closing costs or even upgrades. Get pre-approved and be ready. The good listings are still moving fast. Sellers, if you're thinking of selling in Guelph this summer, here is your to-do list. Stage well and inspect early. Polished homes sell faster. Price competitively or risk sitting longer. Highlight lifestyle features, schools, parks, amenities. Be flexible on timing. Beat the upcoming summer listing wave. Homes that nail all four are still going over asking in certain price brackets. Investors, if you are an investor, you should be watching the condo segment closely. Rental demand remains strong near the university and downtown core. Guelph offer better long-term equity growth than Kitchener. Condo prices are stabilizing, which makes it a good time to re-enter. Also, some townhome developments under 700,000 offer great long-term hold value. Here is your quick June 2025 snapshot. We are still seeing Guelph outperforming surrounding markets in pricing and stability. If this breakdown helped you, do me a small favor. Hit that like button. It doesn't cost anything, but it really helps this channel reach more people looking for honest real estate advice. And if you want my free June 2025 market report, just drop a comment saying Guelph Market or send me a message. I will send it over right away. Thanks for watching. I'm Shrikant Verma, your local Guelph realtor. I will be back next month with the July update. Until then, take care and stay smart out there.